guys, welcome back to Lan app. For today's video, here I'm going to show you how to transfer Wix website to client. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So this one is really easy to do. So first things first is you want to go to your Wix website. So go to wix.com, log in and access the website you want to transfer the ownership for. Now, in this case, at the left side, you want to go and click on settings. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to go and scroll down a bit and you want to look for the option here that says roles and permissions. Now from here, you should be able to see all the members that you currently have on your website. So if you have any developers in here, but in order for you to transfer the Wix website here, you just need to go to your account and just click on change owner on your account. Now it's going to ask you which person or email address that you want to basically transfer this to. So just enter the email address. And from here, it's going to ask you what would you describe them as. Click on add a client, click on continue. Now from here, you have a few options. So you can keep your role as co-owner of this site on transfer. So if you want to basically transfer this and you don't want to do anything with this website, just basically disable this one. And also you can create a copy of this site to basically to put in your account. Now you can go and click on continue here. And this will actually send an email to that user. So in this case, you're being a co-owner. You need to confirm they understand that transfer the site to the following user and just click on transfer ownership. Now they will be receiving an email regarding this site transfer ownership. Just make sure that you allow that. But in this case, or they actually accept that. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lan app. Thank you for watching.